Hello children, welcome to Diksha portal. Now this is the best way where you can solve your problems. Actually this is the learning portal. It is initiated by the government of India. Now here you will have your English medium, Hindi medium and Sanskrit and Urdu medium. And here now you have the classes. These classes, okay, you can choose your class from these. Now you go for your class 8th class. Now in 8th class, actually this can be operated, and whatever your textbook as well as supplementary, so these are there where you can assess your lessons as well as your text. Now see children, here this is the honeydew of English of 8th class. Now you have the lessons here down as well as videos. These lessons and videos are very helpful for you when you operate these videos. Now here the first lesson, right? The best Christmas present in the world. And this is the lesson where Jim McPherson had written letter to his wife when there was fight between or war between the German soldiers and British soldiers. And this is the letter which Jim McPherson had sent to Connie, Mrs. Connie. And in this lesson there is also one message for you. So instead of going for war, it is better that you should have games instead of the war. So therefore, the German soldiers and British soldiers they stopped their war in between and they met at no man's land and they celebrated the happy Christmas day. Now this happy Christmas they celebrated by sharing their things, their wishes, their wish to each other, and whatever the eating item they had shared with each other. Now here the team leaders Hans Wolf and Jim McPherson, both they shared their feelings and they came to the conclusion that the wars they have no use at all, and if they go for war, if the war is fought, now children will become orphan, the woman will become widow, and therefore it is no use at all. And children, do you know that the same matter was written in the letter by Jim McPherson to his wife Mrs. Connie, and whatever happened, the same proceedings he had entered into the letter, and this letter was kept by Connie for so many days. And when she kept this, so at that time she came to notice that one day Jim will come with the gift, and this letter was found in one of the tables in junk shop, and the drawer was very hard in the beginning to open, and the writer Michael Marporgo, he tried his level best to open it, but when he found the letter was inside, he thought to hand over to the owner, and he noticed the address, and he went to that address. At last he found that Mrs. Connie was in the hospital. When he came near, first he wished that, and Mrs. Connie thought that yes, that was the day which she was waiting for number of years, so many years. And she thought that now the person who came there to hand over the letter, he was nobody but her husband, Mr. Jim McPherson. And she told him to sit near and kissed him. And okay, this is the best Christmas present in the world. Thank you, children.